Hello, everyone. What if I told you that mastering just 60 everyday phrases could make you speak English way more fluently than memorizing 500 random words? I tried this with my own students over a few months, and the difference was incredible. Today, I'm breaking it all down. The exact 60 chunks that natives use all the time, the real science explaining why they work so well, and the best practice method, shadowing, which is ideal for A2 to B1 learners. Stick around because chunk number 52 is the one many of my students call a total breakthrough. Let's get started. A couple of months ago, I worked with a group of 40 learners around A2 to B1 level. I split them. Group A learned 500 single words the old school way, flashcards, lists, repetition. Group B focused only on 60 practical chunks, the kind of natural phrases you hear in real conversations. After about 12 weeks of regular practice, we tested them with everyday speaking tasks, chatting about daily life, opinions, plans, all rated by native speakers. Guess what? Group A knew plenty of words, but their speech had lots of hesitations, awkward pauses, and that feeling of building sentences from scratch. It sounded effortful. Group B flowed much better. Quicker responses, smoother connections, more confidence. They sounded comfortable and natural, even if their vocabulary wasn't huge. Now you got my point. But why do 60 chunks beat 500 words? It might sound surprising, but there's solid research behind it, and I'm sharing all 60 with you right now. Quick tip, don't just list them. Practice with shadowing. I'll show you how later. Here's the plan. We'll start with 15 basic chunks to build your foundation. Then, the science on why chunks are brain-friendly. After that, 20 more for common situations and feelings. Finally, 25 advanced ones to push you toward native-like flow. Special shout-out to chunk number 52. It's a favorite. Let's kick off with the first 15. These are super common, perfect for A2 learners to start sounding better right away. Chunk number 1. What's up? This is a casual greeting natives use constantly. Hey, what's up? Or, not much, what's up with you? Chunk number 2, how's it going? Another everyday way to say hello and check in. Example, how's it going? Pretty good, thanks. Chunk number 3, see you later. A friendly, natural way to say goodbye. I've got to run, see you later. Or, see you later, take care. Chunk number 4, hold on. This chunk is perfect for asking someone to wait a moment. Examples, hold on, let me grab my phone. Or, hold on a second, I'll be right back. Chunk number 5, no worries. A relaxed way to say it's okay or no problem. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. Chunk number 6, sounds good. Great for agreeing casually. Meet at 5? Sounds good. Or, that plan sounds good to me. Chunk number 7, let me see. This helps when you need a moment to think. What's the address? Let me see, it's 123 Main Street. Chunk number 8, take care. A warm way to say goodbye. I'm heading out, take care. Or, take care, drive safe. Chunk number 9, no problem. Similar to no worries for apologies or thanks. Thanks for helping, no problem. Chunk number 10, good idea. Quick way to show enthusiasm for a suggestion. Example, let's grab coffee. Good idea. Chunk number 11, you're welcome. The natural response to thank you. Thanks, you're welcome. Chunk number 12, excuse me. This chunk is used politely to get attention or apologize lightly. Excuse me, do you have the time? Or, excuse me, you're in my way. Chunk number 13, never mind. To dismiss something unimportant. What did you say? Never mind, it's not important. Chunk number 14, all right. For agreement or starting something. Ready to go? All right, let's do it. Chunk number 15, what's new? A fun opener for catching up. Hey, long time, what's new? Awesome, you've got the first 15. These will instantly make basic chats feel easier. Now, the big question. Why chunks over words? This is the part that changes everything. Single words get stored separately in your brain. Speaking means searching for each one, adding grammar, translating. It's slow and draining, leading to those moments. Chunks are saved as single units. Sounds good comes out whole, no assembly needed. Studies on spoken English show natives use thousands of these pre-built phrases. It speeds everything up. Chunks also include natural grammar, pronunciation reductions like wanna for want to, and rhythm. For A2, B1, they cut frustration and build quick wins. That's why my Group B progressed faster. They were thinking like natives. Ready for the next 20? These handle daily life, emotions, and simple interactions. Chunk number 16, how come? This is a casual way to ask why. Example, you're leaving early, how come? Or, how come you didn't call? Chunk number 17, pretty good. A common response to how are you? How's everything? Pretty good, thanks. Chunk number 18, kind of, to soften statements. Are you tired? Kind of, yeah. Chunk number 19, a little bit, similar softener for degree. Example, it's cold today. Yeah, a little bit. Chunk number 20, on the other hand. Use this chunk to show contrast. For example, it's expensive, but on the other hand, it's high quality. Chunk number 21, for example. This chunk is perfect for giving illustrations. I like fruits, for example, apples and bananas. Chunk number 22, that's why. Use this to explain reasons naturally. I studied hard, that's why I passed. Chunk number 23, no way. For surprise or disbelief, use this. You won? No way. Chunk number 24, cheer up. If you want to encourage someone feeling down, then this chunk is perfect. Example, don't be sad, cheer up. Chunk number 25, take it easy, means relax or casual goodbye. Don't stress, take it easy. Chunk number 26, help yourself, when offering food or items. Want some snacks? Help yourself. Chunk number 27, make yourself at home. This is used to welcome guests. Come in and make yourself at home. Chunk number 28, long time no see. Great for reunions. Examples, hey, long time no see. Chunk number 30, keep in touch. This one means to stay connected. I'm moving, keep in touch. Chunk number 31, fingers crossed, for wishing luck. Good luck on the test, fingers crossed. Chunk number 32, break a leg. Another good luck phrase, especially for performances. Example, your presentation today? Break a leg. Chunk number 32, not much. Common reply to casual greetings. Example, what's up? Not much. Chunk number 33, hang on. Similar to hold on for waiting. Example, hang on, I'm coming. Chunk number 35, calm down. To gently tell someone to relax. You're upset, calm down, it's okay. Chunk number 35, what's the matter? This chunk is used to ask if something's wrong. Examples, you look sad, what's the matter? Or, what's the matter with the car? You're at 35, over halfway. See how these fit real talks? Now the last 25. These add nuance and make you sound more advanced at B1. Chunk 52 is coming up. Chunk number 36, as soon as possible. This chunk is great for urgency. Example, send it as soon as possible. Chunk 37, from time to time. This means occasionally. I visit from time to time. Chunk number 38, once in a while. This chunk is similar to occasionally. Example, we eat out once in a while. Chunk number 39, by the way. This is used to change topics smoothly. Example, by the way, did you hear about? Chunk number 40, to be honest, use this for sharing true feelings. Example, to be honest, I'm not a fan. Chunk number 41, the thing is, use this to explain the real issue. Example, I'd love to come, but the thing is, I'm busy. Chunk number 42, at the end of the day, this one means to summarize what matters. For example, at the end of the day, health is most important. Chunk number 43, speaking of which, this chunk is used to link back to a topic. We were talking about food, speaking of which, I'm hungry. Chunk number 44, now that you mention it, when something reminds you. Example, now that you mention it, I did see that. Chunk number 45, no wonder, is used to understand a reason. Example, you're exhausted, no wonder you worked all night. Chunk number 46, that reminds me. This one is used to connect to a memory. That reminds me I need to buy milk. Chunk number 47, as far as I know, this chunk is used to show careful information. As far as I know, it's open today. Chunk number 48, it's up to you. Use this for letting someone decide. Dinner or movie first? It's up to you. Chunk number 50. I don't mind. This shows you are flexible. Tea or coffee? I don't mind. Chunk number 51. Fair enough. We use this to accept a point. Example, I disagree, but fair enough. Chunk number 52. You never know, for uncertainty or possibility. Examples, it might rain, you never know. Chunk number 52. To be fair. This chunk is great for balancing opinions thoughtfully. Examples, he's not perfect, but to be fair, he tries hard. Or, to be fair, the traffic was bad, so that's why she was late. My students love this one. It makes discussions sound mature and considerate. Chunk number 53. Having said that. Use this chunk to add contrast. Example, it's expensive. Having said that, it's worth it. Chunk number 54. On top of that means to add more points. It's far and on top of that, expensive. Chunk number 55. Sounds like a plan. This shows strong agreement. Picnic tomorrow? Sounds like a plan. Chunk number 56. You got it. Means understood or no problem. Can you help? You got it. Chunk number 57. I feel like. Casual way to express thoughts. Example, I feel like eating pizza tonight. Chunk number 58. I'm looking forward to. This shows anticipation. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Chunk number 59. Let me know. Friendly closer. Example, if you're free, let me know. Chunk number 60. That makes sense. To show understanding. Example, so that's why. That makes sense. You've got all 60. These are some of the most frequent chunks natives actually use. To make them yours fast, shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native say a sentence with the chunk, then repeating it right away, copying speed, tone, everything. Why perfect for A2, B1? It trains pronunciation, rhythm, and muscle memory. You absorb natural flow without overthinking grammar. Start today. Choose 10 chunks relevant to you. Find native audio, short YouTube clips, podcasts, or simple dialogues. Listen, then shadow. Play a bit, repeat out loud exactly. Focus on sounding natural. 10 to 15 minutes daily. Record yourself for comparison. Use in real life, self-talk, chats, or language exchanges. Drop a comment. Which chunk will you shadow first? Just the number, like chunk 52 or chunk 4. I love seeing what clicks. Remember, watching helps, but shadowing and using these changes your speaking. I'm Brian, here to help you speak English with fluency. Grab your 10, start shadowing, and notice the shift. Thanks for joining. Speak up confidently soon. Catch you next time.